बिफोर मूविंग टू द टॉपिक्स जिनके चांस है कि वो टेस्ट में आ सकते हैं, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल विल हैव अ लुक एट द प्रीवियस टेस्ट, क्योंकि कई बार क्या होता है कि प्रीवियस टेस्ट से हमें कुछ आइडिया मिल जाता है। एंड यू नो गाइस के इवन 12th या 10th में भी हम गेस्ट पेपर्स का कितना यूज करते थे। तो यहाँ पे जस्ट देखेंगे कि लिसनिंग कैसी थी, रीडिंग कैसी थी, टास्क 1 क्या था, टास्क 2 क्या था रिसेंट टेस्ट में। दिस विल हेल्प यू आउट इन प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर द अपकमिंग टेस्ट। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल 12th June मॉर्निंग स्लॉट, लिसनिंग वॉज ईजी, रीडिंग वॉज बिटवीन ईजी एंड मॉडरेट, टास्क 1 was bar chart, and task 2, some people claim that it is acceptable to use animals in medical research for the benefits of human beings, while other people argue that it is wrong. Discuss both views and give your opinion. बहुत बढ़िया टेस्ट था, easy moderate मेरा था। The same day evening slot, listening was easy, reading was between easy and moderate, task 1 was map, and task 2, it is better to learn the way people live in other nations through films and video records than written documents. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Level was same between easy and moderate. Don't worry, इन चीजों के बेस पे ही हम देखेंगे कि किस तरह के टॉपिक आने के चांसेस हैं। 17th June there was just one test in the evening. Listening was easy, reading was easy, task 1 was stable, and task 2, in some countries people have to find work abroad, they have to move from family and friends. Do you think benefits outweigh disadvantages? Overall level was easy. Moving to 19th June, listening was easy, reading was easy, task 1 was pie chart, task 2, some people think that newspaper are the best media to learn and get information from, while others believe that the internet is better source. Discuss both views and give your own opinion. It was easy, same goes with evening. Both listening and reading were easy. Task 1 was line chart and task 2. Some people think that printed books are no longer necessary in this digital era as all writing can be stored electronically. Others think that printed books still play important roles. Discuss both views and give your opinion. Talking about 24th June's morning slot, listening was easy, reading was between easy and moderate, task 1 was combination of bar and line, and task 2, in some countries difference in age between parents and children is generally greater than it was in the past. Do you think advantages outweigh the disadvantages? It was between easy and moderate. Similarly, in the evening slot, listening was easy, reading was between easy and moderate, task 1 was line chart, and task 2, some people think that children should start school sooner while others believe they should not start it before the age of 7. Discuss both views and give your own opinion. It was easy and moderate. Now comes the 1st July. Listening was easy in the morning slot, reading was between easy and moderate, task 1 was stable once again, and task 2, some people think that everyone has the right to have access to university education and that the government should make it free for all students no matter what financial background they have. To what extent do you agree or disagree with this opinion? Evening slot, listening was easy, reading was easy, moderate, task 1 was map अब तक 2 बार आ चुका है। task 2 क्या था? Crimes and other kinds of information on TV and newspaper have bad consequences. This kind of information should be restricted to be shown in media. To what extent do you agree or disagree with this statement? And in 10th July's morning slot, task 1 was line chart. तो यहाँ पे भी line chart काफी बार 3 बार शायद repeat हो चुका है. Some school leavers tend to go traveling or work for a period of time before going to university directly. What do you think are the advantages and disadvantages? तो यहाँ पे students जो हैं वो leavers को लेके confused थे. Leavers मतलब जब school complete कर देते हैं उसके बाद। Reading was between easy and moderate, listening was easy. Task 2 in the evening slot was the best way to protect the environment is using local resources like food and building material rather than transporting resources from other places. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Task 1 table, reading easy, moderate, listening easy. So now comes the guesswork. In the upcoming exams, the most common topics are education, young or old generation, employees, social media, and history. This is just my guesswork and I believe that these topics will come in the upcoming tests. एक बार आप ये टॉपिक तो करो, बट हाँ बाकी भी याद से करने हैं, ऐसे नहीं कोई टॉपिक मिस हो जाए। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग, कीप सपोर्टिंग, कीप लविंग।